Top 6 reasons to avoid. Okay, beware of payday loans. Having trouble paying the bills? Considering a payday loan? Beware. It can be tempting to fall for the easy money ploys of payday loan companies. Here's 6 reasons why you shouldn't. Number 1. Outrageous fees and interest. A payday loan can cost 10 times as much in interest as a credit card. Having no credit check comes at a very high price. Number 2. The payday loan cycle. 76% of payday loans are used to pay off old payday loans. With the outrageous interest and fees, it's easy to get stuck in a never-ending loan cycle. Number 3. Escalating debt. You will likely end up paying up to 10 times the amount you borrowed. Your debt will grow and grow until you can't pay and your credit is ruined. Number 4. Easy money is dangerous. Credit cards and traditional loans take time, which forces you to think. Payday loans take minutes, and once you're in, there's no getting out. Number 5. Bank account access. Many payday loan companies require auto drafts out of your bank account. Don't have the money? Be ready for overdraft fees. Number 6. Can't pay? Prepare for war. Payday loan companies have a reputation for aggressive debt collection. You will likely be harassed often, and potentially sued by the loan company if you can't pay. That easy money doesn't sound so easy now, does it? With the outrageous fees and interest, the risk of a never-ending loan cycle, the constant growing debt, the dangerous lure of easy money, the auto draft requirements and the aggressive debt collection, is it really worth the risk? Let me say it one more time. Beware. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.